All right, 6:30, Sunday morning. That's how early it is. And Kasper wants to get out there and film some ice, so let's do it. We're trying to get over there to the blue ice. Hopefully we make it.
This is blue ice. We walked out here probably 300 meters on this ice. We were scared because we could hear the ice cracking, but turns out that everybody else is very brave and they're going ice fishing. We were worried for nothing. But the reason why we came out is for the sunrise and wanted to show you this really interesting ice. There's a few places on Lake Superior where you can find blue ice, and the reason why it's blue is because the way the light hits it, it makes it blue. Obviously, ice is not blue. It has no color normally. Right.